Welcome to Intelli Supply 2025. Here we have Mr. Aloysius to speak with us today. And we are excited to learn more about the Hikrobot and the innovative work you to do in the industry. Before we dive into the details, could you start by giving us a brief introduction to your company and its core business?
Yeah, sure. And thanks, Jolene, for having me for this interview. Yep. So, Hikrobot, we are a global manufacturer of mobile robots as well as machine vision. So, we are a Chinese company, and we have more than 200 offices in China. And outside of China, we have more than 50 offices. So, we are really an international robots company that serves our customer internationally. Yep. So, Hikrobot has installed more than 100,000 robots, and we are also one of the leading manufacturers of machine vision. And throughout Southeast Asia to support our customer locally. We work a lot with local partners such as local system integrators, local software team, and to serve our customers faster and better locally.
Okay. How does Hikrobot collaborate with partners and clients to enhance its solutions?
Yeah, sure. Happy to answer this question. So today, automation is very dynamic. Supply chain is also very dynamic. So people want to pick items in a different way. Some are delivering to stores and some are e-commerce orders. So we have to work very closely with local partners. So we collaborate very closely with local Malaysia SMEs or even Singapore SMEs or throughout the world to provide a full solution for customers in this dynamic supply chain today.
Okay. So thanks for Mr. Aloysius for the interview today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Jolene, for having me.